everyone, we are Capstone Team C242PI017 from Bangkit 2024, and in this presentation we will introduce your innovation, ScanCat, Skincare Ingredient Safety Detector. Introducing, I'm Artika Yudia, and together with my colleagues Asrini Moslin, Adinda Husnul Hatimah, Ahmad Raihan Asyam, Wulandari, Andi Batari, Sauda Syajidah, and Muhammad Ali Tio. We will bring presentation materials that include background, reason, implementation, documentation, plan for local development, and presentation consultation. Background: the use of skincare products has become a serious concern in recent years. Based on the BPOM report, there are 5,937 skincare products that contain harmful ingredients and 2,417 products that do not meet safety standards. Solution: this is where ScanCare comes in. It uses OCR, optical character recognition technology to scan skincare product labels and utilizes machine learning to analyze the ingredients contained therein. There are several main reasons behind the development of skincare: the high number of cases of problematic cosmetic products that pose health risks, lack of consumer understanding of the suitability of ingredients in skincare products, the need for a practical solution for rapid ingredient analysis, the drive to provide more personalized and safer product choices for customers. Next, let's discuss the technical implementation of this application.
Let us delve into the implementation of this application. In this first section, we will discuss how machine learning is utilized in the skincare application. The implementation steps for machine learning are: first, text extraction from the product composition; second, detection of hazardous ingredients in the product composition; third, recommendation for suitable skin types, whether oily, dry, sensitive, normal, or combination skin. Last, integration of OCR and the prediction system. To realize the machine learning implementation in ScanCare, we employed various tools and libraries to support the application development process. The primary libraries include Python, TensorFlow, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Flux, with development tools such as Visual Studio Code and Google Colab. Detect and extract text from skincare product compositions. ScanCare relies on the key library EasyOCR. Next, we will outline the process of building the machine learning model for ScanCare. This process consists of several main stages: data collection, data pre-processing, train and testing model, and the last, integration with Flux. Finally, let us explain the workflow of the prediction system built for ScanCare. The ScanCare prediction system processes product composition image with EasyOCR to extract composition text, pre-processes it, and checks against a hazardous ingredient database. If hazardous ingredients are found, they are listed. Otherwise, the machine learning model analyzes the composition and recommends suitable skin types.
Google Cloud Architecture on Skincare Application. Skincare app provide user with product safety recommendation and suggests skin types suitable for specific product based on their ingredients. The backend runs on Google Cloud, especially in the Asia Southeast 2 region, ensuring quick response times for Southeast Asian users. Cloud Run. Main backend is first container handles user requests, manage API, and communicates with the ML backend. ML backend is second container, process scan product labels using machine learning, providing safety recommendation, identifies harmful ingredients, and skin type compatibility suggests whether the product is suitable for a specific skin type, oily, dry, or sensitive. Cloud storage. All static resources such as machine learning models are stored here and accessed by the ML backend. Firestore database. Store user data such as account details and preference securely and efficiently. How it works. When a user scan product, the app sends data to the main backend, which forward it to the ML backend. The ML backend analyzes the product ingredients, generate recommendation, and send the result back to the main backend, which delivers them to the app. Cloud services. The skincare backend uses these four Google Cloud services. First is Cloud Run. Two containers handle different tasks: the main backend for user requests and the ML backend for machine learning tasks. Two is Cloud Storage. Store essential resources like ML models, ensuring quick and reliable access by the ML backend. Third, Firestore exclusively used to store user data such as account information for secure and fast access. The setup ensures the system is scalable, efficient, and can handle multiple users' requests simultaneously. API. Now, let's discuss the API following the skincare app. API for authentication. Ensure secure user login and registration. API for get user by email. Fetches user data like their profile using their email as the unique identifier. 3 is API for update profile. Allows user to update personal information such as their name or preference. These API are built using Node.js and Express.js, making them lightweight and scalable. The API interacts seamlessly with the main backend to ensure smooth communication between the app and server.
Next, the process of building the backend for authentication and integration of model machine learning using Google Cloud Platform. This includes API development, deployment, and system performance monitoring. API development. We develop the API using Node.js and Express.js. Controller handle authentication logic, input validation, and database operation. Routes define endpoint for registration, login, and update profile into controller function. Deployment with Cloud Run. Deployment is managed by Google Cloud Run. Docker file set up container environment, install dependency, and run the app. API are deployment in the Asia has 2 region-wide secure and optimized access. Deployment backend for authentication and update profile. Google Cloud Run metric help monitoring performance. Instance count, track active intents, CPU and memory utilization, ensure efficient resource use, billable time, provides cost insight. Deployment to backend for model for API skincare model ML2. Request count, track traffic and error. Request latency, identify bottlenecks. Instance count and billable time, ensure scalability and reliability. This is integration system delivers scalability and efficient backend service for authentication and machine learning.
The implementing involves of the following. The number one is integrating the Android application with machine learning, specifically OCR, optical character recognition, using cloud computing via API access. Number two, integrating login and register authentication into the application through a cloud-based API. The number three, implementing an internal database to store the history of skincare ingredient data. The number four, implementing the MVVM model view model architecture in the application. The number five, adding animation on several pages such as login, register, and others. For the development tools, we are using Kotlin programming language and Android Studio. We also utilize several libraries including Retrofit, Datastore, OKHTTP3, Live Data, Glade, and the others. So, for the application documentation, you can visit our team GitHub link, top your search engine, and the link you can see https://github.com/skincare.
Project timeline. Week 1, we collect skincare ingredient data, define the list of app feature. Week 2, we design ML model architecture, design backend architecture, design user interface. Week 3, we build the model, setting up and configuring GCP resource, build mobile application. Week 4, we develop a classification model. Week 5, we perform testing to evaluate model, then deploy the app. The budget is divided into 2 paths. Budgeting 1 allocates $5,000 for initial research and development, with 25% for team salaries and 75% for operational costs, including device procurement and expert salaries, as well as production and legal expenses. Budgeting 2 built on phase 1 with a total of $10,000, retaining 50% of the previous categories. It allocates 10% of machine learning development, 7.5% for the ingredient database, and 10% for user interface design, marketing, user testing, and regulatory reviews. Also receive the designated percentage, with 5% for other expenses.
This is presentation conclusion. In conclusion, international business offers many opportunities for companies to expand markets, access new technologies, and improve competitiveness. However, challenges such as cultural difference, currency fluctuation, and regulatory complexity must be addressed with the right strategy. Compliance with global standards and a deep understanding of local regulation is essential to avoid legal risks and ensure long-term success. Okay, thank you for your attention and time in listening to our video presentation about the skincare app. We believe that with the superior feature we offer, skincare can be a practical and innovative solution in helping people increase productivity and efficiency.
Again, thank you for your attention.